higala, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan.
Karon, atong atuon ang usa sa mga dakong bahagi diri sa Subo, ang Yap San Diego, Ancestral House sa Parian.
Diri na to makaplagan ang mga butangan nagpabilin nga kinaiya sa kultura karon.
Usa, kuyugomin ninyo o maglakaw kita sa mga butang nga nagdalagtingog sa atong lungsod.
Seashell wind chimes are popular craft in Cebu City, especially here in Parian, reflecting the coastal beauty and connection to the area. Artisans carefully select and string together various seashells, creating melodious chimes not only serves as decorative pieces, but also symbolizes harmony and tranquility, making them a cherished item in many homes across Cebu.
Cebuano masks are intricate pieces of art that hold deep cultural significance in Cebu City. These masks often depict mythological figures, ancestral spirits, or animals significant to the local folklore. Each mask tells a story and serves as a representation for the Cebuano beliefs and traditions.
Bags made from local fibers showcase the ingenuity of Cebu's artisan who skillfully weave natural materials to create functional yet stylish accessories. These bags are not only eco-friendly but also reflect the sustainable practices deeply rooted in Cebu's craftsmanship traditions. From Abaca to Raffia carries its own stories and adds a touch of authenticity to these handcraft bags.
As we conclude our craft vlog journey through Cebu City, we hope that you gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and the cultural significance behind these traditional crafts.
Remember to support our local artisans and preserve these holiday traditions that make Cebu a vibrant hub of creativity.
Salamat ug tara, manuroy na kita kung asa ang malikon o maanindot nga mga buhat sa Subo.
Support!
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 Support! Support! Support!
Support local artists of Cebu!